Hello folks and welcome back to a new video. Before we start, I want to ask you to subscribe to this channel as we are getting closer to 1000 subscribers. It would help me a lot. Some time back I bought the cheapest 3D printer on the internet and after putting it to work a bit more, it is time for my final verdict. To begin with, it is quite impressive that a 60 bucks printer even works. Although I think that a slightly more expensive example gives better value for the money. The tiny belts and overall construction of the printer give a surface quality that is, well, let's say that the price reflects on the printing quality. Some of the prints I did were supposed to be round in shape, but it turns out that this printer doesn't like printing proper round shapes, as the deviation could exceed 1 millimeter. Besides that printing quality, I also experienced severe warping when making bigger parts. A heated bed would be a good solution for that, but it is not worth the extra spending in my opinion. As another drawback is that this thing is very slow. The small stepper motors don't allow speeds of over 40 millimeters per second. As a conclusion, I would say that this printer is decent value for money and good for people that want to start 3D printing without breaking the bank. For me, I decided to look for a bigger and better printer because I now know what 3D printing is worth for me. Thanks for watching this video, consider leaving a like and until next time.